What is up, guys? Virtual Renegade here, and then I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Twitch stream key quick and easy. So first thing we do is going to head over to the twitch.tv website. Once we're on this main page, we're going to click our profile picture in the top right and head down to create the dashboard. This is where you're going to find all the details that you need while you're live streaming and for you to have your controls over your stream. Once you're in your created dashboard, on the left hand side, you're going to find the settings tab. Right at the bottom of the settings tab, you're going to find the stream tab. On the stream tab, you'll see your primary stream key, and this is what you're going to need to put into your OBS or your Streamlabs, whatever you're using to stream and record. On the right hand side, you'll see you can reset your stream key at any time, whether it's been compromised, people have seen it, or whether it's just not working. And it makes it simple for you to copy it. It does say that it's copied to your clipboard, and then you can just Control V where you need it, either in OBS or Streamlabs. They make it quite simple and easy for you. If it doesn't work once again, hit the reset, copy it again, and it should work. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.